Have you ever wondered how the future of jobs might look like with the rapid advancement of robotics? This is no longer a speculative question confined to the realms of science fiction. It's an evolving reality, a change that is happening now, shaping the way we live and work. Robots are increasingly playing pivotal roles in various sectors. In manufacturing, for instance, they're transforming assembly lines into streamlined, efficient marvels of modern technology. In agriculture, they're out in the fields, tending to crops, monitoring soil health, even harvesting produce. In the service industry, they're assisting with everything from food delivery to housekeeping. But this robotic revolution is not just about replacing manual labor. Sophisticated artificial intelligence systems are making inroads into knowledge-based professions as well. From data analysis to customer service, legal research to medical diagnostics, AI-powered robots are proving to be capable, reliable, and efficient. This shift towards automation and robotics brings with it myriad of potential benefits. Robots can perform tasks with a level of precision, speed, and consistency that humans simply cannot match. They can work around the clock without fatigue, and they're immune to many of the physical hazards that pose risks to human workers. In many ways, they can make our workplaces safer, more productive, and more efficient. But it's not all rosy. This transition also brings its share of challenges. What happens to the human workers displaced by robots? How do we ensure that the benefits of automation are shared equitably? And perhaps most importantly, how do we prepare our workforce for a future where they will need to coexist with, and even compete against, robots? These are complex questions that don't have easy answers. But one thing is certain: robots are here to stay, and their impact on our jobs, our economy, and our society is only going to grow. In a world where robots are becoming a part of our everyday life, the question is not if, but when, they will take over certain jobs. If you want to stay informed and updated with such insights, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join our journey. Let's take a look at the automotive industry, a field where robots have been in use for decades. This sector has been a pioneer in embracing automation, with robots taking over tasks once performed by human hands. Imagine a car assembly line, once bustling with workers. These environments are now dominated by robotic arms and automated machinery. And it's no wonder why. When it comes to constructing vehicles, robots are simply more efficient. They can operate continuously without brakes, and their precision is unmatched. A robot can apply the exact amount of torque needed to fasten a bolt, or accurately spray paint a car body, reducing waste and ensuring a consistent, high-quality finish. But it's not just about efficiency. Safety is a huge consideration. In a field where heavy machinery and tasks are commonplace, robots can significantly reduce the risk of human injury. They can perform hazardous tasks like welding or handling heavy parts, while humans can focus on safer, more complex duties. However, this increased efficiency and safety come with a trade-off. As robots take over assembly, there's been a significant decrease in manufacturing jobs. It's a bitter pill to swallow, and it's led to a lot of debates about the consequences of automation. But it's important to remember that while some jobs disappear, others are created. Think about the people needed to design and maintain these robots. These are complex machines after all, and they require a human touch to operate effectively. In the end, the story of robots in the automotive industry is a tale of transformation and adaptation. It's about businesses striving for efficiency and safety, and workers learning new skills to stay relevant in a changing world. As we can see, the automotive industry has been revolutionized by robotics. But what about other fields? Stay tuned to our channel to find out more about how robotics is changing other sectors. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. The healthcare industry is another field where robotics are making a significant impact. Picture this: robotic hands, steadier than any humans, performing delicate surgeries with precision that leaves no room for error. Or imagine a hospital where robots provide round-the-clock patient care, never needing a break, never calling in sick. This isn't just the stuff of fiction, it's happening right now. In operating rooms around the world, robotic-assisted surgeries are becoming the norm, not the exception. These robots are not replacing human surgeons, but rather, they're enhancing their capabilities. They can execute precise movements that a human hand might find challenging, reducing the risk of complications, and improving patient outcomes. But it's not just in the realm of surgery where robots are making their mark. They're also playing a vital role in patient care. Robotic nurses, for instance, are capable of performing tasks like drawing blood, monitoring vital signs, and even offering companionship to patients who might be feeling lonely or anxious. And let's not forget about hospital administration. Robots are streamlining administrative such as scheduling appointments, managing patient records, and processing insurance claims. This efficiency can free up human staff to focus on more complex tasks, but it also has the potential to displace jobs. Now you might be thinking, what does this mean for healthcare workers? The reality is, as with any technological advancement, there will be job displacement. Some roles may become obsolete. But on the other hand, new roles we can't even conceive of yet will also be created. The healthcare industry is just one more example of how robots are changing the job landscape. But what does this all mean for us? We'll continue to explore these questions and more. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us on this journey into the future of technology. The increasing presence of robots in the workforce has profound implications for our society. As we steer towards a future where robotics are increasingly integrated into our workspaces, we must grapple with the potential for job losses. It's an undeniable fact that as robots become more efficient and versatile, certain roles traditionally held by humans will be at risk. This isn't restricted to manufacturing or assembly lines, but extends to sectors such as retail, food service, and even some areas of healthcare. However, it's not all doom and gloom. The advent of a robotic workforce also presents opportunities for reskilling and upskilling. With the right educational and training initiatives, we can prepare our workforce for new roles that will be created in this robotic era. These could range from robot maintenance and programming to roles that leverage human creativity and emotional intelligence, areas where robots still fall short. Moreover, a robotic workforce holds the promise of increased efficiency. Robots don't tire, they don't need breaks, and they can work round the clock. This could lead to unprecedented levels of productivity and potentially economic growth. Then there's the question of job quality. Many of the jobs that robots are primed to take over are dangerous or monotonous. By eliminating the need for humans to perform such tasks, we could be improving overall job satisfaction and worker safety. So while the rise of robots in the workplace may initially seem alarming, it's important to remember that every industrial revolution has been met with similar fears. Just as we adapted to the advent of machinery during the Industrial Revolution, we have the capacity to adapt to the rise of robots. In a world where robots are becoming a part of our everyday life, this is not all negative, but it is a change that we need to prepare for. The question is not if, but when they will take over certain jobs. The future of work is changing, and it's up to us to ensure we change with it. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on our journey into the future of work. So, as we've seen, the future of jobs in a world of advanced robotics is a complex issue. It's a dance of progress and adaptation, a rhythm of innovation and resilience. We've journeyed together through the changing landscapes of the automotive and healthcare industries, witnessing how robots are gearing up to take the wheel and administer care in ways that were once purely the realm of human capability. In the automotive sector, robots are not just taking over assembly lines but also stepping into the driver's seat, leading us towards a future where autonomous vehicles become the norm. Meanwhile, in healthcare, robotics is not only transforming surgical procedures, but also revolutionizing patient care and rehabilitation. Yet, this isn't a tale of doom and of jobless futures and robotic overlords. It's a narrative of change, of evolution. It's about understanding that as some doors close, others open. As robots take over certain tasks, they also create opportunities for new roles, new professions that we may not have even dreamed of yet. But to seize these opportunities, we need to be prepared. We need to be adaptable. We need to equip ourselves with new skills, new knowledge, and a new mindset. It's about embracing lifelong learning, about being ready pivot to change, to grow. And that's where this channel comes in. Here we'll continue to the vast and varied world of technology, diving deep into the trends shaping our tomorrow. From artificial intelligence to quantum computing, from cybersecurity to biotechnology, we'll journey together through the landscapes of innovation, unlocking insights, and sparking curiosity. So if you're intrigued by the future, if you're excited about the possibilities technology holds, then make sure to hit that subscribe button. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of technology, as we navigate the currents of change, as we prepare for the future. The future is not something to fear, but something to prepare for. Stay informed, stay adaptable, and remember to subscribe for more insights into the world of technology. Don't forget, smashing that subscribe button ensures you never miss a beat in the world of technology.